Okay, I think I'm recording. I hope this works. This is a Hero 1, the first actual GoPro, but it always works. That's the thing about these new ones, is they don't always work.
What the fuck is he snorting?
Go.
What? In the car?
Yeah, where else are you supposed to do it? We've got a receipt in the back of the car that is tweaking. Got the windows roughly even. Now
got a sexy bitch in the passenger seat.
Of course, I tend to do that.
To drop off the Prius before I broke it.
Yeah! Oh, there's a cop here. Is he gonna care that I went through the wrong way? Or is he not even sitting in the vehicle because they just put one here to intimidate people?
He's in there.
He's in there. Yeah, he is.
Do you have gloves?
Yes, they're on the glove box, as they should be. Ha! That's what the glove box is for. I'm hard on my cars, but I'm very, very delicate when it's cold. I feel this like primal urge to not drive quickly when my engine is cold. We're gonna have a Lexus in front of us as our pace car, preventing us from going too quickly. Let's see how quickly. We're gonna keep it below 3. We're still getting all the torque out of the engine. We got our check engine light on because it's a fucking European car, which I love so much. What are you doing? What in the fuck are you doing?
Run them over.
Get the fuck out of my way. Get the fuck out of my way. Got the turbo spooled up. Hopefully no one's crossing over this intersection because I would plow straight through those kids. Let's go. Over the first bump, we got 2 more to go, and then we can actually have some fun. We'll pop it in double sport mode because there's 2 sports modes, which doesn't make any fucking sense. I don't know who designed this shit, but they are an idiot. Okay, we got it in 1 sport mode. We got it in our 2nd sport mode. We are now in super sport. Woo! Ooh, going to 4,000 RPM while the engine is still cold. A little bit too much for me. Wow, we're gonna fucking power it around these corners. We're gonna miss the bump, miss the curve. Oh, an S4 coming around. Yeah! Feel the fucking power! I thought that was the cop for a second, and my heart dropped into my stomach.
It's Super Bowl Sunday.
Yes, this is when people are drunk driving, including myself. Oh yeah, let's keep We're coming hot. We're only going like 45-ish at the top. Coming around. I like this turn. This is always a very slidey turn, but I'm not trying to get too much oversteer today. Coming around, topping out at the RPM. Let's fucking go! Hello, Porsche SUV. You are lame and you drive slow. You have no spirit left in you. Spent it all on the Porsche. On the job to get it, whatever that may be. Probably something really boring, accountant, something like that.
Cybersec.
Cybersec. I like cybersex. That's actually kind of entertaining. Unlike accounting, if you're an accountant, fuck you!
Isn't your mom an accountant?
No, she is a Zumba instructor.
My aunt's an accountant.
I feel very bad for her.
The way that she did it was she turned 18 and had 2 kids and no job, and then her husband left her and she went shit and started working for an accounting firm, and within a year she started making it to accounting.
That Tesla just recorded me on the wrong side of the road. I hope they did not get my plate number. Hello, Prius! How does it feel to drive boringly? Let's go, and then we die.
Have to pay respects to all the dead people in there. Woo!
Coming around this pothole. This turn is a deadly one. People often slide off. Let's fucking go. We did not die. This one is fun. We get the left and the right. Big curves going on. Oh yeah. We got the right. And then we got the left. Left hook coming in. Punch to the liver. Take him out strong. Woo! Coming around, we're going a little bit hot. This is a 30 section. We are going 70. We should probably slow the fuck down. Oh, and we got a pacemaker up here to prevent us from going too quickly. Probably for the best, so I don't wrap my car around a tree like that Honda that I saw over here the other day. Is my commentary entertaining at all?
It's truly beautiful.
Is it?
It's a work of art.
You're being sarcastic.
Absolutely.
We're getting 24 mpg. That is how much mpg you get at the normalest, safest driving. We are driving like right now, getting 24. How does it feel to drive a Dodge?
Wonderful.
Oh my God, they're pulling the fuck over for us so that we can drive like, yeah! Thank you so much, I love you. I love bikers. Except for when I almost kill them. At this compression point, crank the wheel to the right. Coming around, we're gonna hit this. Oh yes! I hope that the fact that my check engine light is on while I'm doing this isn't too much of a problem for my car. I am losing my voice.
Oh, good. Maybe you'll talk a little bit less.
Yeah, it's probably more entertaining that way. I know that I'm gonna edit this and be like, wow, I should shut the fuck up. Amy did not expect me to wake him up for this. He was having a nice little snooze, and then I'm like, get up, we're going racing. I'm not a professional driver. This is a great road for the Geo though. I have some footage of me and Alex on it. It was very fun. Well, that was an interesting sounding Honda. Ultimate driving machine. Hit that corner. Okay, this is... Ooh, they got mirrors posted up so that we can see around the corners. Got some slippage. Yes! I'm gonna try to stay in sport driving stance all the way back. The camera will have the best view, and so will I. I instinctively lean forward when I'm driving, which is not what you're supposed to do. Ooh! Ooh, that's a fun one. We need to take that much quicker next time. Once I learn this road, I will be able to make bitches piss they pants.
You act like I haven't pissed my pants already.
I don't think you have. I would have smelled it by now.
I don't know. I drink a really good amount of water sometimes.
I drink a really good amount of alcohol.
For legal purposes, that is a joke.
For the lawyer of the person I hit while we're recording this video, I was joking.